Walk up. Here he is, putting the goats back in their pen. Walk up. Come by. Come on. Biting one a little bit there. Come on. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, walk, walk. Just encouraging him. Bite there. Look, look. Good. Good. He's able to pick up that single straggler. Good. Walk up. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, walk, walk. Good. Lie down. Come by. Lie down. Hang on a second. Close the gate. Oi! Come by. Come by. Shh, what are you doing? Get. Come by. Lie down. Look back. He's just learning look back. Look back. Zeb. Look back. Zeb. Good. Good. I'm going to try to get it situated so we're not facing into the sun. So with the goats, a lot slower pace than with just 4 or 5 sheep. So he's able to adjust his speed and intensity, which is nice because he's used to working goats and sheep and goats together with sheep. So he can manage himself pretty well. Let's see if we can set up some exercise here. Lie down. There's good solid down.